Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by defining your main listening goal and immediate comparison criteria. Choose commute or focused listening so you know whether noise cancellation or comfort matters most. Next, prioritize sound signature versus ANC performance. Sony XM5s lean warm and detailed, while Dyson products emphasize design and unique form factors. Once done, set a realistic budget and timeline for testing. Make sure to reserve at least 30-60 minutes for side-by-side listening with trusted tracks and clear environmental. You now run focused, repeatable tests that reveal real differences. Start with identical high-quality tracks and alternate short segments so you can detect timbre, separation, and bass control. Note which device preserves detail. Then test ANC and transparency in a noisy setting and measure latency with video content. Simultaneously, evaluate comfort over 1 hour and verify codecs and app customization for EQ or adaptive noise. Make notes after each test so you can objectively weigh trade-offs. You finish by matching test outcomes to your priorities and choosing the product that solves your core problem. If clarity and ANC precision dominate, lean towards Sony XM5. If design, unique form factor, or multi-use cleaning/air needs matter, consider Dyson's approach. Once decided, confirm warranty, return windows, and accessory availability so replacement or tuning is simple. If things go wrong, use the return period to troubleshoot hardware or settings with fresh tests before committing to a final purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.